DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
It's not called X6. Oh, it is. It is. It's right here. It's right here. X6. Okay. Okay, so there's two different songs. One is with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Okay. All right. Content, calm down your blood clot self, brother. I know that. Yeah, man. I change it, man. Me see pre Vado. Easy. Vado, calm down. Me see pre, man. Yeah, man. We find it. Kant10t, X6. Fast and Furious Riddim. Kant10t. Not a stranger to the channel. Artists we've reacted to before. You see me and say, now we're getting a request from one of Dan Mafia. Remember them, the one named X6. So it look like, yo, the one I go mad. You see me? Kant10t is very talented though. I hope he did his thing because this rhythm, you see me, it goes crazy. So I'm thinking he's gonna go crazy on the track as well. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. So hit like and subscribe. Gang, get me up to 30 likes. Excuse me. Right now we're at 10 likes. Get me up to 30 likes, gang. The vibes continue. The vibes now done. I jump right now, chat. Kant10t, X6. Let's get it.
What happened? Who can see the demand of the but when we go ship the first gear and the second, you know, we're just changing up. Pick and fast, you know. And you're the brother is a brrrr. And then you go oh, God, man.
Subscribe, gang.
Man, God, hey. If you ever try,
Hold on. All the audio go. I'm not even, I'm not lying.
What happened? Who can see the demand of the but when we go ship the first gear and the second, you know, we're just changing up. Pick and fast, you know. And you're the brother is a brrrr. And then you go oh, God, man. You can't see it, man. Oh, God.
Easy there with the chip. Hold on, wait.
And you're the brother is a brrrr. And then you go oh, God, man. You can't see it, man. Oh, God. Hey, if you ever try, man.
How the beam a take a lead? 260 pan speed on the beam up on the tool, all them see a breeze. Country I put the G, put the CRV like the crown they asleep. I roll and chip a beast, put the M on the 5, take the 5, me a thief. How are the Mercedes be? Him the close but it can't catch me. The X6 double back. The whip big in the yard. You think I does the dog when the beamer them a bar. Sport plus with the traction, the beamer just a land. And the M pan the beast, know it stand for man. 20 minutes pan the tour load, you burn up fast.
Right, that's the M pan the beast does no say stand for mad, bro.
Half of the wharf. None of them can't in our class. The beamer full of features. Soft shut door like a idiot.
I beamer me say to you know, so me have to agree. I'm a beamer. Hey, come in.
I pull the trunk out, Jesus. He come out, make a skate pan the seat. Mash up the speed, a gun pan the toll beast. Bad knee for speed and fast like Lisa. Who full of beamer coming like we are the dealer. Jagger style gyal get fucking on the beamer.
Jagger style fuck. Come here.
Country and no said the beamer bad. Them know me been a bang. My car can't thirst. 19 a tank. Paul Walker sitting jiffy be my spinning back. And you will see the beamer fly, then the beamer land. Send them car over Riverton. From the race start, all of them din and yam. And if you don't know for control the beamer none at all. I know all with the beamer
you don't know if you control the beamer none at all now. And all the beamer go slam you know.
What? Size up. 5 series I run left the Hilux. 4 make you go on easy while up. Twin turbo catchy flow of sinus. The beamer with the evil look and make you
twin turbo catchy flow have sinus. Yeah man, we got a twin turbo you know man. So that's that's how it sound in the B sound, you know, like that sneeze, you know.
Face make everybody stare. Press the button make it be my fly gas space. Make every little juvie John air. Man I lie. I love it girl, love what a big jagger, big beamer man close and a push on down. It's on loud. The 4 window wind down and a portal through them hometown. Tail wrap that bow. S60.
4 window them wind down and a portal through them hometown. Hometown man, hometown. I don't nobody. Come in.
Turbocharge now, 4.4 V8 engine power. Go on easy with the cruise control. N52 V6 engine drop from the 52 states. Make a big charge on
M2 with the V6 engine where we drop from M2 with the V6 engine where we drop from 52 states. Easy now, come in.
You better come the look over the bus lane. Pro box the for stay night lane. Mad. Market so date and can't go Spain. Man I lie. I love it girl, love for a big jagger, big beamer man close and a push on down. It's on load. If four window wind down and a portal through the hometown. TL rap that wow. S68 turbocharge now. 4.4 V8 engine power. Go on, and the beam a take a lead. 260 pan speed on the beam up on the tool. All them see a breeze. Country I put a G, put a CRV like the crown they asleep. I roll and keep a beast, put the M on the 5, take the 5, me a thief.
Roll and keep your beast. Hey, enough people marry about Roland now. When it comes to tuning your car and getting your car started, Roland, enough people say no. Yeah.
How would the Mercedes be? In the close, but it can't catch me.
I want the Mercedes.
God,
No, could it be mine, boy? Hey. Baby, out yo. Yo. Kant10t X6, it's a vibe. Why next one?
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.